What's going on, everyone? Preston over at Easy Auto Spa in Duluth. Today we've got this 2024 Cybertruck in. It's a foundation series, so it's one of the first few ones rolling around Atlanta here. Our client came in, wanted to know his options. We decided to go with Suntech's altered black paint protection film on here. Obviously, it's going to style it out, make it look different than the rest, make it a big black beast rolling down the road. It's also going to last a lot longer than vinyl wraps. It's a little bit thicker too. But most vinyl wraps, about a 5-6 year duration, while Suntech's altered black can last up to 10 years. Also comes with a 10-year warranty, so if there's ever an issue with it bubbling up, peeling, cracking, fading, it's covered, but we usually don't have that issue. Also, it's a self-healing film, so if it picks up any light scratches on the surface while you're washing it, or just have it out and about, those will cure out a little bit of heat from the daylight, keeping it looking fresh for a long time. Also, while it was in, he had us install Suntech's Evolve window film on the front 2 doors, as well as these port glasses here on the front. That Evolve film is going to add a little bit of privacy. We went with the legal shade, so not the darkest, but not going to have any issues with law enforcement. It's also going to cut a little over 30 degrees of heat, so it's going to help add some comfort while he's rolling around in the city here. The last thing that we did to it was install some tinted PPF on the light bar here and the headlights below the front bumper. Just kind of finishing the look, that aggressive look that we have on it here. This one's going to look top notch. It'll be rolling around the streets of Atlanta. You'll be seeing it here soon enough. This one was a really fun one to work on. We look forward to working on many more. If you ever have a question about tint or PPF for your Tesla, your Cybertruck, your new Audi R8, whatever you want to put it on, give us a call, shoot us a text. We're always happy to help. Thanks for checking us out. Hope you have a great rest of your day.